For 2023, there'll be a new 3.5-inch clamp. With that clamp, you can utilize a couple of your components and make another slate dolly kit. Pre-order clamps price is $175. After that, the price will be $250. So you can pre-order how many you want, if you want them at all, at $175. Not prepay, just pre-order. So I can tell the factory how many to make. I can't just go there and say I want 4. So there you go. And now here's an example of what happens when you don't do your maintenance. Eventually, if you don't do your maintenance, the screw will come past the face of the clamp. Okay, the head's on backwards now, but I just want to show you that that's what will happen eventually if you don't do your maintenance. Replace your washers with the thicker washer in the maintenance kit, and avoid all this wear to begin with by dropping a little oil behind the stop nut and the disc, and also keeping your grease on the screw so that it turns easily. So it shouldn't be any big deal to turn the screw. You move it in and out, it's pretty quick. So do the maintenance. If you've worn it out down to the set screw, as you can see, the nut wears out. Then you'll have to replace it. And the cost of replacing the set screw and the nut and the disc is as much as almost pre-ordering the clamp at $175. So that's what I would suggest. Use your block in the kit. Earth magnet keeps your wrench right there all the time, no problem. Don't use any other wrench in this. A bigger wrench is no good. It will only break the otto vise. It won't make it tighter. So don't think that that's going to help you at all. If you need wrenches, just let me know. So no wrench bigger than this. The handles are great. They're included now. I thought people would buy their own, but they haven't. So I include them now. And when you go through somebody's door and there's glass, you don't have to worry like you're going to break the glass because your steel handle hit the side of it a little bit. They're a good investment, and they make the slate pulling a lot easier in the winter time. And they're not cold like steel on your hands. So there you go, little update. 3.5, a new mini kit will be available for about $1,000 to the general, public. But first, the 3.5 for existing customers, and make sure you can keep your kits going for decades. Okay, just do the maintenance. No maintenance is sort of like your teeth. You're going to get a cavity and then you're going to lose a tooth. Same thing with otto vise. It'll save your back, but it won't last forever if you don't take care of it. So email me and let me know. Thanks, bye.